So I'm back with another simple style you can try out on your own at the comfort of your living room or in your bedroom while you are rushing out for an occasion. So I made 3 foundational pleats. I divided the material into 50-50, that is equal part. Then I make foundational pleats. I cross the hands left to right to left. Now the next step is going to be using my hand to divide the material. You can see the way I grab it. What I do to right, I'm going to repeat to the left hand side. So I'm pressing the other part of the material down. Now taking it right on the previous split I made and giving it a beautiful knot. Look at the way I'm going to knot it, because that's where we're going to achieve that little bow you can see at the front of the head wrap. So here is it after knotting once. So I grabbed the one at the front, I folded it neatly, and the one at the back I used to cross it to the front and keep the excess downward, right? So I use my hand to adjust it to give me that bow at the front. Now going to the side and making the pleat down. So I'll go to the other side. Remember, what you do to right you do to left. So while I'm trying to secure this down with an office pin, I know that immediately I leave this place, I'm going to the other side to make the same pleat I made here. So I'm here at the other part where I'm going to make the same pleat. I'm going to take my time to arrange it. It's nothing serious, just grab the material and use your hand to adjust. When it gives you that beautiful one you like, you know already. So I just use my hand to press down, and I'm going to grab pin to match the two together, right? Because it can't stay without you using a pin, so you need pin for this head wrap. So I grab a pin and I use it to secure this part together, the previous one and the second one together, right? So once I'm done there, I'm going to come to the front and adjust the bow to my taste. Adjust all adjustables. In short, use your hand to adjust. You know, I always say that. Oh, once I'm done like that, I have this final look, guys. If you like what you see, follow for more, share this video, and I'll see you in my next one.